Good morning, setters. We are canceling the Tuesday live trading for now because my partner is actually away and it's not very convenient for me to do morning session. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the dollar index, going back up to daily first. We are seeing obviously a stronger phase 2 that we haven't seen for a while, like I explained in here in the previous market plan, but it doesn't change the picture that we're still on an uptrend. But how high is it? Are we going to have a change of trend? Probably. So I think we still can take it back up to around the 103 area. Yeah, okay. So dollar, I like that. Currently now on 1 hour, we're already seeing a change of trend. If you know my trading style, you will know, okay, I like this sort of pattern. This is a flag, okay, has now broken out. So is it trying to break higher? Potentially, but I think it's a little bit overdone through this area. So let it break a bit higher and then look for retest, probably around this area. Let me pop on the daily pivot and have a quick look where the daily pivot is. Yeah, spot on. Spot on the daily pivot. So 10135 area. So let me just pop on a alert. I like to do that. So 101. I would say probably leave it a little bit of room. 36. Yeah, set an alert so we'll know if we come back for that. So on the flip side, that's two of them I like to do. First one that I'm potentially got, I already set an order, which I will post it in the group after this quick video, is dollar yen. I said I wanted to be a dollar yen buyer, and you can see already broken this downtrend line, which I like. Multiple days of squeezing, and now it's already broken out. Arguable that is, that's a very, very good supply and demand zone around this 12744.8 and also a daily pivot. So I think we are maybe, it depends, if you're with a bit of luck or kindness from the market, it may trigger. So I already put my order at the daily pivot, put my stop loss in the 1 hour swing low below the S1. My target is under this anyway. Okay, yeah, I've got two orders, one a little bit more optimistic, so probably around just over above 130. Yeah, that looks okay. I'm not expecting it's going to break the previous high, but yeah, a little bit of room to grow. First target is around here, so under 130, 129, whatever that area is. A lot of interaction, so I want to take the first profit there. Second profit is here, so I'll put it there on the Discord group. So if you want to follow, it's up to you guys. So this is the two main chart that I like. Aussie and Kiwi, I don't really want to sell because you can see the strength is a lot stronger than the others. So I think we may see coming back to this area, then potentially going to look to buy Aussie and Kiwi, but that's sometime next week. Another things that I want to quickly show you is the S&P 500 is reached to a level 4,200. We may see a retracement at least back to this 4,100, maybe even lower. Wouldn't surprise me anyway, but I'm gonna focus on buying dollar for the next couple of days and see how it goes. All right, any problem, let me know. Otherwise, I'll catch up with you guys on Thursday. Thank you.